Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about properties of a relation. The first property is reflexive relation. So in our previous classes, we discussed the basics of relations. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so first try to understand the definition reflexive relation. A relation R on a set X is said to be reflexive. When we are going to say that a relation R is a reflexive relation, if for every X belongs to X, means the element X belongs to set X. For every element X belongs to X, X comma X belongs to relation R. If it satisfies this property, then we say it as the relation is a reflexive relation. This is very important. For every X belongs to X. Don't forget this point. For every X belongs to X. With example, you are going to understand it better. Let's take an example. Set X 1 to 5. On this set, they have given a relation R is equal to what's the ordered pair that belongs to this relation R? 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 5 comma 5, 2 comma 5. Is it a reflexive relation? Yes, it is a reflexive relation. Why it is a reflexive relation? You take any element from X, X belongs to X, 1. X comma X should be belongs to relation R. Yes, 1 comma 1 is there in relation R. Similarly, you take 2, 2 comma 2 belongs here. You take 5, 5 comma 5 belongs here. For every X belongs to X, X comma X belongs to relation R. Then we say it as a reflexive relation. So for better understanding, we do some more examples. Example 2, the relation less than or equal to. Understand it properly. The relation less than or equal to on the set of real numbers. So is it a reflexive relation? Yes, it is a reflexive relation. Why it is called as a reflexive relation? Let's try to understand. Let's take the set X is equal to all the real numbers, means 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinite. The relation R is equal to 0 comma 0. Why it is 0 comma 0? 0 less than 0. Similarly, 1 comma 1. 1 less than or equal to 1. 0 less than or equal to 0. 1 less than or equal to 1. 2 less than or equal to 1. So all these ordered pairs belongs to relation R, because our relation is given as less than or equal to. That is what you need to understand. You take any X belongs to X. You take 0. 0 comma 0 belongs to our relation. You take 1. 1 comma 1 belongs to our relation. You take 2. 2 comma 2 belongs to our relation. For every X belongs to X. You take any X, it belongs to R. So it is a reflexive relation. Similarly, take one more example. The relation less than on the set of real numbers. In the above example, it is less than or equal to. Here, it is only less than. But it is not a reflexive relation. Why it is not a reflexive relation? Set of real numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. You take 0. 0 less than 0? No. You take 1. 1 less than 1? No. So 1 comma 1 ordered pair that does not belongs to relation R. You take 2. 2 less than 2? No. So that's why it is not a reflexive relation. Similarly, one more example, the relation subset. See here, the relation subset on the set of all subsets of a set. Set of all subsets of a set. What's our relation is? Subset. With example, you are going to get idea. Let's take a set X 1, 2, 5. Set of all subsets of a set means 5, 1, 2, 5, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 5, 1, 2, 5. These are all subsets of a set. From this, you take an element 5. 5 comma 5 belongs to our relation R. Why it is belonging to our relation R? What's our relation saying? Subset. 5 subset of 5. Yes, it is accepted. Similarly, take the next element 1. 1 subset of 1. Yes. Similarly, take the next element set 2. Set 2 subset to set 2. You take any element x belongs to x. Then x comma x belongs to our relation R. So that's why this is a reflexive relation. Hope you understand what reflexive relation means. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.